Good morning. Happy Friday. Today is the first day of November 1st, 2024. And as always, every Friday, we bring you guys the Stats and Facts Fridays in under 4 minutes, where I cover all residential transactions as well as multi-units that have taken place in the last 7 days in the Halifax Dartmouth region of none other than Nova Scotia. So without further ado, I'm going to sign into my, there it is. And I'm going to rip some stats for you guys. Are you ready? Good? Pop it off? Let's roll. Pete, let's do it. So, number of new listings in the last 7 days, residentially speaking, in the HRM, 96. Conditional sales, 97. The number of sold transactions, residentially speaking, last 7 days, 107 homes. Average list price for those 107, approximately $592,000. Average sale price for those was approximately $589,000. The average days on the market, 36. Highest priced and sold transaction was a residential home for $2.05 million. Total amount of money that exchanged hands from a buyer to a seller in that time frame, approximately $63 million. And the list to sale ratio was about 99.4. So almost on average, getting exactly what those sellers wanted. On the multi side, quiet 7 days. I must say, number of new listings, 3, with an average list price of about $773,000, which to me suggests are duplexes. Conditional sales, also 3. Average list price of those about $919,000, and they've been on the market for 41 days as an average. Remember, conditional sale, say it every time just to keep people educated, is an offer was made from a buyer, an offer was accepted from the seller, and now the buyer is in their due diligence time frame. So from the time the offer was accepted, they can now check in on whether they can be approved for finance, whether they have an inspection, whether there's well or water or some sort of test that they got to do. They're in that process. And the number of sold transactions, multi-unit speaking, in the same time frame was also 3. Average list for those was $758,000, and the average sale price for those was about $761,000. So effectively 100% of asking price. Highest sold transaction, $1.05 million. And as I mentioned, list to sale ratio was effectively 100%. Guys, my name is Peter Gronis, entrepreneur, licensed realtor, property manager, owner, among other things. Every Friday, I bring you guys the Stats and Facts Fridays in under 4 minutes. Ultimately, though, what I do, what my intention is collect information from people that are smarter than me, from people that are more experienced than I am, from reading books like the ones you see over my shoulder, taking that information, regurgitating that information to you to allow you to digest it, in hopes of getting you somewhere along the line in an upward trajectory from where you currently are to where you want to be in life. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, hit subscribe now. Other than that, happy Friday, man. Good luck November. See you later October. Happy belated Halloween. And PDG signing off. One love.